Good morning, it's Lynette here. So today we are ready for day number 12. Um, I'm nearly organised. I've just got to wrap everything, I think. Am I waiting on one or two things arriving? Yeah, I think I am. So day number 12, I hope you're all organised and enjoying the festivities as best you can. Day number 12, here we go. Yeah. Oh, this looks interesting. It's day number 12. I've just got right into it. So it's the 25 days, if you haven't been watching, Boots number 7 advent calendar. It sells out every year. So I was really lucky that I got sent this from one of my really good pals, and I was over the moon with that. So this is number 7 Skin Illuminator, and it's natural looking radiance for a beautiful glow. That's gorgeous. You can pop that on. Would you pop that on underneath your foundation? So multifaceted light reflections instantly enhance your complexion for a natural looking radiance. Use this lightweight illuminator in one of 3 ways to enhance your natural radiance and give immediate gorgeous luminous skin. As a primer before applying your foundation, mixed in with your regular foundation for added luminosity, or lightly applied as a highlighter to your cheek and brow bones. So I would probably go for a mixture of popping it in between my foundation. I think I might try it as a primer and then try popping some drops in. I won't use it as a highlighter because I think that's a shame, because I've got so many highlighters anyway, but I will use it as a skin illuminator. So yeah, I'm really pleased to see that. As I say, I really do like the skin products that we're getting out of these boxes as well, and it'll look fantastic. Let's find day number 12 now. Day number 12 is missing for my friend. I think it was day number 12 and 18, which I think is such a shame. So she said that she was glad that it was her day number 12 and not mine, so I had to quickly go through and just check. Luckily everything's wrapped, or I would have got Steve to do it, but I had to go through and kind of check that every box had something in it. So I think it's quite a shame that she's missing day number 12, but she said to me she'd rather it was her than me because it was a gift. This is my Christmas present, but I just kind of thought, oh, it's miserable. So hopefully, I've been seeing a few people saying that theirs hasn't been delivered yet, so I don't know what's going on with that. So I hope she can get the bits from the advent calendar. So it's Illamasqua, and is it a lip polish? There we go, Illamasqua, and looks kind of right up my street. They've done that annoying thing where they put the barcode over the bit that opens. I hate when they do that, because then I have to break what's left of my crappy nails to take it off. Nope, there we go. I just shouldn't really talk about this, but my sister has a fear, right? It's the weirdest phobia I've ever heard, right? So she's fine with stickers as long as they're stuck to something, but when you take a sticker off, she gets the fear. And when we were younger, my little brother had hold of like a pricing gun that my dad had, and I think he terrorised her with it. So see if she says, you like, you know, if you're picking it, it's for, say for example, like I'm sitting in the house and books tend to often have stickers on the front cover if you've bought them from the, say you bought them from the railway station or something, and they'll be like 2 for £8 or whatever. So I'm sitting picking at this, and all I could hear was like, can you just stop that? And I was like, sorry. So yeah, she just has a really weird fear, and just as I was picking it off, that it reminded me, and I kind of thought, I wonder how she would cope with having to pick this sticker off. Yeah, have you heard of a weird phobia like that? Mine's are normal. Mine's, though they're not that normal. The fear of heights and the fear of jumping from a height. But I discovered that's quite normal. A lot of people are scared that they're going to actually jump from a height when they shouldn't. Yeah, maybe we're both weird. So anyway, I'm just going to open it up there. So it's got that. I cannot for the life of me pronounce, is it like a dofa or a dofwa or whatever people call it. It's got that There we go. That is my perfect shade, and it would actually fit nicely over the lipstick that I'm wearing today. So yeah, I'm chuffed to bits with this. And I'm sorry, Karen, that you've not got yours. That's miserable. But anyway, it's Illamasqua lip polish. So yeah, 2 really good days today for the advent calendars, and I'm hoping, and I think I can. No, I definitely can. I am going to be doing an advent calendar makeup look. I don't know whether I'll need to use a combination of both, or if I can do one for each. But yeah, that's what I'm hoping to do with them. So I'll let you see that. So I'm popping everything back in the box so I can take it all out and see what I've got. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And this is a bit longer because I've been slagging off my sister and her weird phobia. So yeah, if you've got any weird phobias and you're still here at 5 minutes and 48, let me know below. Speak to you soon. Bye, guys.